Hello and welcome to another interesting session of physics, and today we are going to discuss about the commercial unit of electricity. And you already are familiar with the SI unit of electrical energy, and the SI unit of electrical energy, as you all know, is nothing but joule, and it is abbreviated as capital letter J. Now when you want to know about the commercial unit of electrical energy, one thing you must keep in mind, that is electrical energy is always equal to the power times the time taken for the device to work. Okay, so electrical energy is power into time, and this comes from our discussion about power, which was power is equal to energy divided by time, as we had seen in our last class. And so energy is equal to power times time. So in SI units we have it like this, that energy, the unit of energy is actually equal to the unit of power, that is watt, and times the unit of time, that is second, so it is watt second. So in SI units this actually is equal to joule, right? Because joule per second is watt. However, as far as commercial unit is concerned, the units have to be taken in a different manner. So in that case, the unit of energy in commercial terms is given in this way. It is equal to the unit power in commercial terms multiplied by the time factor. So what do we take these things now? So unit of power in commercial times is kilowatt, and time is measured in hours. Okay, so the unit of energy in commercial terms is actually equal to kilowatt hour, right? And it is also written as commercial unit. So one commercial unit is actually equal to 1 kilowatt hour. So that is the understanding. So let us develop on this further. So we have one commercial unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. Okay, so what is that? That is the energy consumed when a device of 1 kilowatt works or consumes energy for 1 hour, right? So we'll just take a look at this with the help of some illustrations now. Suppose you have bulb, say you have a bulb of 100 watt, and this bulb of 100 watt is used for say 5 hours, and you have suppose 5 such bulbs of 100 watts used for 5 hours. All of them are used for 5 hours, right? So 100 times 5, that gives us 100 times 5 will give us 500 watts. So the total wattage is actually 500. So we get 500 watt, and that is equal to half a kilowatt, because 1 kilowatt is actually equal to 1000 watt. So 500 watt is equal to half a kilowatt. And then what you have is it is working for 5 hours, and so the energy is equal to power times time. So power is half kilowatt, right? Power is half kilowatt, and we multiply this half kilowatt by time in hours, so 5 hours, and what we get is half into 5, that is 2.5. So we have 2.5 kilowatt hour. That is the final result. However, if we want to calculate this in say SI units, then what we have to do is we have to take the power and time in SI units. That is we have to take power in watt and time in seconds. So let us take a look at that also. So if we want to calculate it in SI units, then we have 100 watt. Let me put it over here. We have 100 watt multiplied by 5. That gives us a total of equal to 500 watt, and that we shall take as the power. We shall not convert it into this commercial kilowatt style. We shall leave it as it is because the SI unit of power is watt, and time, this is power, this is, let me put it, P is equal to this, and time is equal to 5 hours. So we have to convert 5 into seconds. So 5 times 3600, because 1 hour has 3600 seconds. So 3600, that gives us the number of seconds. So the energy will be equal to power into time, as always, whether we calculate it for commercial units or we calculate it for SI units. Energy will always be calculated as power times time, and that is equal to power is 500 watt and time is so many seconds, that is 5 times 3600 seconds, and we have to do a multiplication, which I leave it to you as an exercise, and you can just calculate this, and having calculated this, we shall get the energy, electrical energy spent in SI units, that is joule. So I have shown you what commercial unit is and how we calculate the energy, electrical energy in commercial units. I have also shown you how you can calculate electrical energy in SI units. Remember always that whether it be commercial units or SI units, we always actually calculate energy using this expression, that is E is equal to P times T, that is energy is equal to power into time. See, here also we have done it like that, and here also we have done the same thing, that is we have multiplied power by time. While multiplying power with time, we are taking commercial units over here, that is kilowatt for power and hours for time. While for calculating for SI units, we are taking those things, that is power in SI units and watt and time in second. So that was the discussion for today. We'll take a short break and we'll come back in for more such discussions. Thank you.